Hi, my name is Timothy Yu. I'm the CEO of BACKJE Philippines. We are based in Cavite, Carmona.
Can you tell us about your company and your products?
My company is BACKJE Philippines. We are machine tool supplier in the Philippines, and we supply high quality of the advanced CNC machine and many kinds of the tools for the CNC machine.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. So who's your target market?
Our target market is global company in industrial zone and some supporting local company to support those global companies for the especially CNC machining and precision parts making.
Oh, nice. Okay, sir. How's the business so far? Do you have plans on expanding?
Yeah, so far global market and total market very slow, but many of our local companies is planning to upgrade their machine from manual machine to CNC computerized numerical machine, so that more demand coming, and we have improved our sales around 30% to 50% this year.